Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8,000 pusau.
Kinoyalam jang All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association hakar pesantren unai lur 8,000 pusau. Kredit banyak kendo State Project Director jang State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya Swapnil Tembe, Badu Commissioner and Secretary Wapet Yakatnat Pulih Putih ke Sorkar Jilla Vijay Kumar Mantri ban pan jing pensyai lo jing ong bagi Sorkar kan ajing Ithuh no Nonghikai SSA kum Nonghikai jang School Sorkar. Kinoyalam keseng ha kejing keran bakilat pathai kubor kila pensyai bahal kejing kendo yakin ki arngon ki officer Jagatnat Pulih Putih ke Sorkar kamdan satya kejing temu ban shimti yakin Nonghikai SSA kum Nonghikai School Sorkar hendak kejing temu jang Sorkar kelong taman kentiu no ya ketulom da sispa person haswa kalai pautrik unai lur arajar pausau.
On behalf of the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, after getting various phone calls from our colleagues and members across the state regarding the news on regularization of the teachers, of all the teachers of SSA teachers. On clarification for that, we have come and we have met the State Project Director, Shri Swapnil Tembe, and also the Commissioner Secretary, Shri Vijay Kumar Mantri, regarding the clarification on the regularization of SSA teachers. Based on that, both of them, they have stated that their information is not true regarding the regularization of all SSA teachers association, SSA teachers, and they have said that the state, they are having another plan, and they have seek the suggestion also. So the from our association, we have reminded them regarding the proposal from the previous memorandum regarding the marginalization and merging of the SSA teachers to a state education department. We know that the state department cannot do it at one go of all the SSA teachers, because for regularization we know that most of the teachers haven't met the right criteria. So that's why we have put it in our memorandum as point number 2. So now this is a message for all the SSA teachers across the state that from our side, from the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, will be striving the ultimatum given to the government by 30th of September 2024. And on this day, at 5 o'clock, we'll be having the executive meeting regarding what step to be taken. And I requested all the teachers to take part for the right, and just to reminded all the teachers that as per the proposal of the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, we have requested the government to marginalize or to merge phase-wise like all the other states in the northeast and the other part of India had done. So this is our suggestion to the government. I hope that the government will take initiative on that proposal. It's a must needed for all the SSA teachers. So I hope that the government will listen, and given by the deadline of 30th September 2024, we'll see what the response comes from the government. And after that, we urge all our colleagues and members of the SSA teachers across the state to be prepared. If the demand is not met by the 30th, we may have the meeting on that day, then we'll take another step regarding with the agitation to be held on across the state after the 30th of September 2024.